Hello, Gilles.
Hello, Glenn.
Thank you for being here today for this video dedicated to AI agents. AI agents, as you know, has been a hot topic lately because it's the next major evolution for AI. So you've witnessed countless evolutions about AI for the past few decades. What are some of the main evolutions that you've witnessed?
AI over the past decades have been through several major shifts. In early days, AI was mostly rules-based, meaning that we had to explicitly program what we wanted to do. It was 80s with the expert systems. Then we moved to machine learning. So the systems learn from data rather than being explicitly programmed. It helped to have a recommendation engine, error detection, and it helped us a lot to improve the demand planning process. Then, more recently, we entered the era of deep learning and generative AI. And with that, we have now systems understanding but also generating human language, images, code. And recently, we are seeing the emergence of agentic AI with autonomous agents capable of analyzing data, but also acting on it, going through different problems, and agents collaborating together and even collaborating with humans in complex workflows.
All right, very interesting. And why are AI agents considered the next big step now?
AI agents are different from traditional AI tools because they are not just passive systems which can predict or prescribe. They can really take initiatives. So from a global objective, they can break it down in several pieces, leverage all the available data, leverage all the available tools in order to reach a goal. So it's a big step toward autonomous decision making. And you can consider that the agent is like a digital assistant processing huge amount of data in real time, adapting quickly, and in fact, doing things humans cannot do alone.
And about that, can you actually give us a very concrete example of what AI can actually do in practice, like AI agents?
First, that's a basic example with natural language queries where a user can ask a question and the system will explore all the available data in the system or all the available documentation, and then the system can answer the question. And then we have more advanced AI agents, and it's more agentic AI with different agents collaborating together. And here we have examples where agents will be able to run root cause analysis, then to build mitigation plans, generate scenarios, compare the scenarios, and in the end recommend the best scenario to promote for the planners.
So then indeed, to think a little further about practice, AI agents in practice, what role do planners play once AI agents are introduced?
AI agents will not replace planners. In fact, they amplify them, meaning that we speak a lot about augmented planning, augmented planners. So the role of planners is shifting from doing repetitive tasks like data cleansing, data input, data exploration, running reports, to focus more on strategic decision-making, error handling, exception handling, and collaboration, and especially cross-collaboration with other departments. So we can consider the agent as a co-pilot. So the planner is still in control, but he has more time and more insight to make better decisions.
Does it mean in that case that planners should blindly trust the results provided by AI agents?
It's a good question. And in fact, yes, planners have to trust the system. And that's why at FuturMaster, we attach lots of importance to explainability. AI can be a black box, and it's true for all AI, I would say, traditional models, but also agents. And in the heart of the product strategy, we have the explainability topic to make sure we have this user adoption.
With such smart and automated tools, will we still need supply chain planners in the future?
Yes, of course. But again, the role will change. AI agents can automate and optimize some tasks, but still you will need human judgment, human context understanding, and human creativity. We have to keep in mind that AI in general can be very wrong and AI agents can hallucinate. So you must have someone to be in control. Also, you need someone to feed the system. And so to supervise it, to improve the input in order to get better results. And that's where planners come in. And as I see it, in the near future, it will be challenging for planners because they won't have only to be expert of supply chain and understand the supply chain dynamics, but they will have also to understand how AI works.
Thank you so much for your participation today. It was really interesting. Thank you.
Thanks to you, Ben.